Hello everybody and welcome back to Starla App. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the Starla app. So if you want to be able to know exactly how to use the Starla app, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to just open up the app as you can see. So it's just going to take us a couple of seconds and then we should be able to access the app. So basically, in the first beginning, you will be able to click on continue and then you should be taken to this page where it's going to ask you, it says like this, hey, I'm Starla, what is your name? I'm just going to write test as an example and then click on continue. And then we have to share, I'm just going to take a random one just for this tutorial. And let's take as an example, maybe Los Angeles. This is not true, by the way, but just as an example, obviously. No idea, maybe this one. And let's take friend, continue. And then it's going to now calculate our zodiac sign. As you can see, now I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue here once again. Just going to click on not now. Continue and then continue. And as you can see, we have to click on continue here once again. Then again. And yeah, as you can see, we actually have to unfortunately subscribe to be able to actually view the results right here. But yeah, as you can see, they have a monthly plan. So yeah, it seems to be that it's $14.99 per week, I think. Or it might be that it's $15 basically per month, I guess, because in the right it says 3.74 per week. I'm not sure about that actually. So if I click on subscribe, let's see how much it's going to actually charge me. This is quite interesting because I haven't yet subscribed. Oh, it's 14.9. Yeah, basically $15 per month. So you have to unfortunately subscribe, and afterwards you will be able to actually unlock your result, I guess. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to use this app.